This blog site and its author condemn the series of attacks on innocent civilians in Sri Lanka in the strongest terms and sympathize with the victims and their families. Given the past history of terrorism in Sri Lanka, however, there is no doubt that this is the work of Modi's RSS/BJP. Hindu terrorists. Terrorist India, as planned, but timely uncovered by Pakistan, couldn't attack Pakistan, because India has been badly humiliated by Pakistan in recent airspace violations due to its preparedness and military superiority. India, therefore, picked up the soft target, Sri Lanka, instead, to help Modi in ongoing elections. There is hardly any neighbor of India, safe from its influence peddling and terrorism. All the countries, in the region, should get united and form a formidable defense against Indian terrorism within and without India. Original publishing on April 2, 2019. Caution. April 25, 2019, Addendum. Investigations in Sri Lanka seems to be deliberately steered in the wrong direction. A defunct insignificantly small organization, National Tawhid-Jamaat, suspected of having links with ISIS or Al-Qaeda, is being touted at the helm of the carnage. Contrarily, an Indian man arrested in India, who claimed having trained the perpetrator, is being ignored/overlooked. Investigators should not overlook the Indian links with the ISIS in Afghanistan, where India is suspected of supplying nuclear material to ISIS, for manufacturing the dirty bombs. https://shakir2.wordpress.com/2016/04/02/ugly face of Western Darling India/shakir2.wordpress.com